Hi everyone, my name is Behzad Pak, and after a long break, I'm officially back on YouTube. It's been a few years, but during that time I wasn't away from teaching. I was preparing something much bigger. A comprehensive, intensive, and structured learning journey designed to help you master English and crush the IELTS exam. That's pronounced IELTS, by the way. Whether you're aiming for Band 7 or Band 9, you're in the right place. Alright, here's the new format for this channel. Avatar-based IELTS lessons, shorts, tips in 60 seconds, real conversations and interviews, and speaking practice live. We'll cover all 4 skills: listening, reading, writing, and speaking, plus smart grammar, academic vocabulary, and fluency strategies that work. So if you're serious about your English, or preparing for the IELTS exam, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. This isn't just a return, it's a mission to make learning English clear, strategic, and powerful. Let's begin this journey, together. Welcome to the new chapter of English learning, with Behzad Pak.